As always, this detailed review is brought to you by BrainyBuyer.com. Shop smarter. Be a brainy buyer.
Hey, I'm looking at two propane grills, the Char-Broil Performance Series and the Weber Traveler Compact. Which one should I get?
Okay, let's dive in. The Char-Broil is definitely bigger. It's got 475 square inches of cooking space compared to the Weber's. Well, it just says it fits 12 burgers. So Char-Broil wins on size if you're cooking for a crowd.
Yeah, I sometimes have big cookouts, but I also want something I can take camping.
That's where the Weber shines. It's designed to be portable. It's significantly lighter, 49 pounds versus Char-Broil's hefty 85 pounds, and it folds down to fit in a car trunk. The Char-Broil is not going anywhere once you assemble it.
Okay, portability is a big plus. What about burners and heat?
The Char-Broil has 4 burners putting out 36,000 BTUs, plus a 10,000 BTU side burner. The Weber just has 1 burner, and the BTU isn't listed. So for raw power and versatility, the Char-Broil seems better. You could probably sear steaks better on it, and the side burner is nice for sauces.
I do like a good sear. What about the grates?
The Char-Broil has porcelain-coated cast iron grates. The Weber also has porcelain-enameled cast iron cooking grates. So both are similar in quality when it comes to grates.
Okay, so Char-Broil for size and power, Weber for portability. Is there a price difference?
The Char-Broil is around $370, while the Weber is about $299. So the Weber is cheaper.
Is there anything else I should consider?
The Char-Broil has LED illuminated control knobs, which is a nice touch for night grilling. And it has more user reviews, like way more. The Weber is newer, so fewer people have reviewed it. But the Weber has a one-handed raising and collapsing mechanism, and a lid lock, which is really convenient for travel.
So if I mostly grill at home and need space, the Char-Broil is the better choice. But if I want something for camping and tailgating, the Weber is the way to go, even though it's less powerful.
Exactly. It really depends on your primary use case.
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.